Hi there, and welcome to Unboxing Canada with Adil Awda with the new products. Yeah, new product. As you've seen in the previous video, we had a back that we had 3 products in it, and we are unboxing right now the 3rd product. And we really appreciate you guys being subscribers in our channel, and we'll continue to unbox new products for you guys. In case if you have a product, your company have a product, please reach us at www.unboxingcanada.com or comment below and we'll reach you back. Alright, so this is the 3rd product having here. So this is Ultra Glass Privacy. This is amazing one. So basically when you are doing something on your phone, the people next to you cannot see what you're doing. So that's how it is. That's what it should be. This is how the pack is. Okay, it's Ultra Glass Privacy Screen Protector. So this is how it is. It's the company name is better with Belkin. The company name is Belkin, as you can see here. And this is the instructions basically. This is the instructions. So I think it is easy to put the screen. So let's open it and see. Okay, so this is how it is. Let's open it and see how it looks from inside. Okay, so this is it. That's how it looks. Protect your screen and privacy 24/7 with this slim ultra tough German engineered glass. Belkin warranty, limited lifetime warranty. Americas and Europe 2 years limited warranty, rest of the globe. That's good, I love it. Unlimited life warranty, that's cool. So this is what it comes with. I think this is the screen cleaner. So we need to clean the screen, and this is the protector. So we'll just follow the instructions, and we are just going to take the phone because we're recording using the phone there, that camera. So we're going to take it from there and start putting this protector on it. So just give it a moment. So right now we're going to move. This is the phone, right? So this is the phone. We are going to remove the cover that we just got and put the screen protector first, and then after that we'll just put the cover. So I'm just keeping the camera on so it records every action we do. And I don't want to remove this, you know what? Camera went off. Let's see. So we'll keep the camera on while we record. Let's do it the other side. Flip the camera and let me record myself while I'm putting the cover. So here it is. This is the cover, and we are going to using steps. So we're going to use the steps here and follow the steps that we have here. So from 1 to 8, right? As you can see it here. Oh, this is the steps. 1 to 8. 1 to 8. I hope it's clear on here. Yes, it is clear. So we're going to use 1 to 8. All right. So the first step says that we need to clean the phone with, what is that? Belkin. Okay, we need to open this back. So we'll go ahead and open it. As you can see, there is like a black thing here. Let's open. Okay, it's here. Pull it from the back. Okay, and we take it down. That's Every time there is, companies come up with new ideas to help you out to make things easy. So this is how it is, as you can see. So let's go for the first step. The first step is we have this, right? That's how we're gonna clean the phone. So first step is I think we need to concentrate on steps. What it says that we need to remove the Belkin. What is Belkin? This one? And then take what's inside and take it to the garbage. So we're gonna, I think we're gonna peel this. Oh, this is step 2. Oh yes, that's cool. It shows here steps. Step 1, step 2. That's amazing. Oh, what is this? Step 2. So that's out now, and we're gonna remove this one here, which is gonna go to the garbage. Right, that's gonna go to garbage. So that's removed as per the steps. So we need to put the phone in here. So that's how the phone is gonna be. So which side is that? The big line, the head of the phone will be this side, so it's going to be this way. So as you can see here, this one here, where the camera is going to be this way. And we're going to place it inside. So the phone for sure went off. So the next step, we actually need to clean the phone, by the way. We needed to clean the phone with a cloth, so we'll just do it right now. Let me just give the cloth. That's the cloth. Belkin. Take it out. There's a Belkin dust removal sticker. Dust removal sticker. Okay, that was the first step. So we need to clean with the cloth and then with the dust removal. So before putting it inside here. So we'll just remove it. We'll just remove it out and try to start cleaning. So we'll close it from here. And we'll start cleaning it. We'll clean it with the cloth. That's how it is. So clean it properly. Make it clean. Make it clean and neat. Okay, so that's clean now. I think that's more than enough. Now there is so now there is this sticker here that we need to, that's like a dust removal. So we put it on the phone, we put the sticker on the phone and remove it. Put it on the phone and remove that. That's how it is. So this one here. So we put it on the phone like this and then remove. Like this. Remove. Like this. New technologies, new ways. Just to make sure that everything's clean. To make sure that it's clean and neat. I hope I'm not doing something wrong, but it should clean it. I think we're done with that. I think it's done. No more. Now we'll just put it in the box and try not to touch it with my fingers. I'll just put it again in the box here. As you can see, it's put in the box. So again, I think I touched it with my finger. Okay, so cancel. Just make sure things are good. Okay, we're done with the step. So now the next step here, after we put the phone in, there is step number 1, which is this one here. So that's the step number 1. So step number 1 is we're gonna peel it like this, and there is a small cover that will come out. Small. So this one has to be removed out. That's, as you can see, step number 1. Already telling you. We thought that had to do with reading. And then after that, we need to close. See, as you can see here, we need to close it. So close properly here. So I think I'm doing something wrong. Little bit side didn't go. As you can see, it's the black one here, so I didn't put it on the right way, so I can see that there's still small space. So now it will not come out. Now if it come out, it's a mistake. As you can see, the edge is not closed properly, so I want on this edge. Sit. Now I don't want to remove it, because if I remove it, then it will be, I don't know, it wouldn't be nice. Let me give it a try. Yeah, I removed it by the way. Just put it. I'll try to put it again, proper way. This time. You know what? I don't need this. Just fix it myself. Again, there's a mistake, so no, I think it's not gonna stick anymore properly. So we had to put it this way because this is the camera, right? So this is. Not perfectly. So if I keep on doing this again and again, I don't think it's gonna stick. I think it is okay now. As you can see, it's okay after. Wow, the process took so long. I thought it's gonna be easy with the spots, but the problem is it's my mistake is that I put it in the other way, on the wrong way. But again, it's fixed now. See how it is. So if I see it from here, I can't see anything. If I see it from here, I can't see anything. So that's how it is. See how it looks? You have to get into the stage here. Make sure it's like this, because when I did it the other way. So yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching us and following our channel, subscribing to it, and click on the notification buttons, and don't forget that. Again, share, subscribe, like. Thank you very much, and have a good night.